I can just stay in my toy room or here at home and just admire and look at my toys.
Kapag pinag-usapan natin ang childhood, ang hard work, ano ba ang kabataan mo in Filipino nun? Was it difficult?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman kami super well off. Hindi rin kami, mahirap. But it was middle of the road. And I'm just so blessed that my mom and dad are very practical people. Na they didn't splurge too much. They really taught us the value of money. They really taught us the value of working hard for something. In general, my childhood was a very happy childhood. Iba ang buhay sa probinsya di ba? And dati wala pang gadgets. And the toys that I had before were the basic figures and yung mga plastic.
So alam mo, Ilonggo ang tatay ko, ang
Kabalo.
Kabalo. Talaga magaling ka mag-Ilonggo.
Oo.
Talaga, sige nga.
Born and raised dito sa Iloilo, sa Lagos.
Pareho tayo. Oo, pero sa Manila.
So, tanang yung Ilonggo nila.